each and every activity, whatever you are doing, I should aware. Okay, I'm going to instruct you. You should not touch your leg also without my instruction. Mother-in-law is always going to think like this. Then how the daughter-in-law is going to accept? Then the daughter-in-law is going to tell, hey, world Muslim. Okay, what is the need of listening your words? Up to certain level, okay. Hey, Muslim, what is the need of listening your words? I know everything like the cinema is going to start here. So, daughter-in-law point of view, she's always, okay, I know what I require to do. I know what I have to do. I should not listen from any person. Like, Hurry, mother-in-law expectation is always, hey, everything as per my instructions has to be happened. I'm the family head kind of thing. Something like that. Here the problem is, always everyone thinking about themselves. They are not thinking about opposite person. There, the problem will come into the picture. Just forget about yourself. Think about opposite person. Think about opposite person. What opposite person required? This one. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Then, why don't you offer those things? Then obviously, the remaining things will become, the things will come in reverse with the multiplication, believe me. Okay, like that. So, the problem here is everyone is telling, Array, being elder, Array, respect I'm expecting. They're never going to give the respect. Always what you require. That is the bigger problem for everyone in this world. Remember that. We are always going to think about what's our requirement, and so on. Forget about you, man. Think about what opposite person require. If you apply this a small point, then the relationships will become very strong. Keep ego, keep your all the things just beside. What their expectation, just to fulfill their expectations. Then the cinema is going to be 100% pakka. Blockbuster movie is going to be happen. The relationships will become very stronger. Beautiful. The family life will become very beautiful. I hope are you getting my point? దోస్తో
Yes, sir.
సార్ చెప్పినంత ఈజీ కాదు సార్ ఈ టెల్లింగ్ is very easy but implementation is not that much easy. Arey, why don't you try, man? They're also just a human beings only, right? Opposite person also. Everything is the common. What our blood, the red color is the common. Breathing is the common. Organs are common. Everything is the common. Only difference, maybe small difference. If you decode that, then the things are going to work out. Think very carefully about this. So we are nothing. We require to give very much importance for the opposite person. If you are giving that much importance for the opposite person, wherever you go, you will get a grand welcome. If you start thinking about myself, myself, my requirement, my job, my need, wherever you go, you will become alone. The person who is not thinking about opposite person is always going to face a number of problems in his life. He's always going to face a number of problems in his life. Not only he's going to face the problems, he's going to create problems for opposite people also. That's why remove that selfishness. Better to think about opposite person. Because the people are very much important in your life. Anything is happened because of people only. Anything is going to be happened because of people only. Remember.